Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about hair again, and actually don't mind my crazy hair right now. I'm leaving in like 4 hours to fly to Germany because we are going to a tennis match. I am so excited, and I did these curls and I didn't brush them because I want them to last as long as possible. So we are talking about hair, but don't mind my crazy hair right now. But let me do a quick review from last time. This is the L'Oreal mask. I think it is Pro Longwear or something. I will put down below all the names. This is wonderful. I do really like it. I can clearly feel my hair very hydrated after using it. It is pretty strong in that regard, and it is totally different than a normal conditioner. I can detangle my hair very easily, so I really love this one. It is great. I don't know if I bought this one last time and mentioned it, or I bought it after, but I have the Moroccanoil High Shine Gloss Mask. I think this is new, and I used it yesterday when I washed my hair. I don't feel or see a big difference with this. I will use it more and let you know for the next month, but yeah, it's a gloss mask, but my hair is decently glossy anyway. Then I bought the ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density, and I tried my best to use it daily. I think maybe I skipped 3 days or something like that, 3-4 days maximum, so I was pretty good. But I almost finished up the, I don't know if you are able to see, I am right here, so I almost finished up the bottle, so I will purchase it again and just see. I want to show you, and maybe each month I'm gonna show you. I told you that I have this spot right here, and I'm gonna show you in this video only this part for now, because I want to compare it maybe after like 2 or 3 months, just to see if in this spot where my hair is going different directions, if I can grow some more hair. But overall I did try my best to just measure my hair. I think it is 47 centimeters, so 1 centimeter more than last time. But again, I think we will see even better after like 3-4 months, because the difference will be, of course, bigger. And for the number of products, we went down. I have 18 products right now. So I bought one item, this one. It is a mini from K18. It is the Airwash dry shampoo. I heard some really great reviews about it, but it is very expensive. So I was like, I'm not paying that much. I paid a lot of money for the Olaplex one, and I hated it. It did nothing. So then I decided to just skip it, but now it comes in a mini, so I was like, sure, I will buy it because I'm really curious. I love reviewing products, so I'm gonna test this one out and let you know, but I'm very excited. And then I finished 3 products. I finished this one. This is the Zara Dry Texturizing Spray. If you want a texturizing spray, this is incredible. I'm not using products like this too often, so I don't really need it. It is a bit sticky and it adds a lot of volume to your hair. I really like it. A similar product but used when you are drying your hair is the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Spray. First of all, I think this comes in a mini. Buy the damn mini. It took me 2 years. It felt like 2 years to finish up this product. It takes too long. This bottle is ginormous, and I did use it almost every time I blow dried my hair. So a huge amount in here. It is not that expensive for this amount for sure. I really like this one, but also I'm trying my best to use more hydrating products and stuff like that, and less styling kind of products, but both of these are wonderful. And then I finished a mini of the Moroccanoil purple shampoo. Right now I own the Moroccanoil conditioner that is purple, and I think that one works wonderful. I used it yesterday and I don't feel like my hair is too gray. It's just a bit less strong than the Olaplex one, and I do like that. But because the Olaplex one is nice, but at some point it was making my hair darker and way too gray. This one is perfect. So the shampoo is nice, overall a good shampoo, but I prefer the conditioner, and I prefer the Olaplex normal shampoo for the shampoo step. That one is the best product from Olaplex. I really love it. So these are the products that I did finish. Overall, I feel like my hair feels a bit better. It's more silky, and yeah, it is easier to detangle for sure. I don't know about growth for now because I don't feel like it grow any faster, but of course that could be influenced by a million things. I was very stressed this month, so that alone could destroy my progress. So that's that. I really like this product. I'm happy overall that I'm doing this video and that I'm trying to grow my hair, and as well the pills that I took, the vitamins, I'm still taking those. Those were nice and not something that special, just vitamins, but I bought a new bottle of that. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.